Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove blanks and arrange the names in one column. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have some name in the two column, but here I'm going to arrange it in one column and remove this all blank in between the two names. Okay, so for that simply select the entire data range. So I select here the all name. Okay, then press the Ctrl G, and here the go to dialog box is open. Then click on the specials option and click on the blank and click on OK. And you can see the all blank row is selected. Then press the Control minus, and here the delete dialog box is open, and select here shift cell up. Just click on this and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the blank row is removed. Okay. Now I'm going to auto fit this column width. So simply select the full column and press the shortcut key Alt H O I, and that's it. You can see the column width also fit. Okay. So this is a way you can arrange the names in one column and remove the blanks quickly in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.